Everyone thinks the best-selling electric fireplace is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Touchstone Sideline. Let's kick things off with the Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace. Priced at $549, this sleek unit caught my eye with its modern design and impressive features. If you want a stylish and smart electric fireplace that can fit seamlessly into your decor, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sideline comes with 30 ember color and flame options, so you can customize the ambience to your liking. Its realistic flames look like the real deal, which is perfect for setting the mood on a chilly night. Plus, it heats up to 400 square feet, making it more than just a decorative piece. The Alexa and Wi-Fi compatibility means you can control it from your sofa or even when you're away from home. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to measure your space and maybe consult a professional, it's definitely manageable. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those who value design and smart features. This is perfect for you if you want a fireplace that doubles as a stylish home accessory. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any installation work. It's a solid value considering all the features. Now, if that installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Puraflame Western. Next up is the Puraflame Western Electric Fireplace Insert, retailing at $389.99. Its classic design and fire-crackling sound are what initially grabbed my attention. If you want a traditional fireplace feel without the hassle, this is definitely worth a look. This model stands out with its adjustable thermostat that can heat up to 400 square feet. It features a lifelike resin log and can be operated with or without heat, making it usable year-round. The 3 flame intensity settings let you set the mood perfectly, whether you want a cozy glow or a bright blaze. Plus, the fact that it uses energy-saving LED technology means you can enjoy the aesthetics without racking up your power bill. However, some users found it a bit bulky for smaller spaces. But honestly, if you have the room, the charm and warmth it brings can really enhance your living area. It's not a deal breaker if you're looking for something that feels authentic. This is perfect for you if you love that traditional fireplace vibe, but want convenience. Skip this one if you have limited space or prefer a more modern aesthetic. It's a great value for the quality and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a little different. Product number 3, Puraflame Klaus. Now, let's talk about the Puraflame Klaus Electric Fireplace Insert, priced at $429.99. The first thing that struck me was its elegant design with a glass door and mesh screen. If you want a fireplace that combines beauty with practicality, this is a contender. The Klaus offers similar thermal capabilities as the Western, heating up to 400 square feet with adjustable thermostat options. Its 3 flame settings are adjustable in intensity, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The added glass door adds an extra touch of class without compromising the realistic fire effect, which is what you want when you're cozying up at home. Now, it's worth noting that some users mention the glass can get hot, which might be a concern for families with young kids. Here's the thing though, with proper placement and supervision, it's manageable. Just keep that in mind if safety is a top priority for you. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a classic look that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if safety is a major concern for your household. It's a good investment for a stylish and functional centerpiece. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, the next option could be right up your alley. Product number 4, Duraflame Freestanding Stove. Next is the Duraflame Freestanding Electric Fireplace Stove, priced at $259.99. What caught my attention here is its charming stove design and portability. If you want a cozy heater that you can move around, this one is definitely worth considering. This unit can warm areas up to 1,000 square feet, which is impressive for a freestanding model. The infrared heat it provides is perfect for those chilly nights when you want to stay warm without heating your entire home. Plus, the realistic 3D flame effect with glowing logs creates a beautiful atmosphere. even when the heat is off. However, some folks have mentioned that the heating can be a bit uneven in larger rooms. But I'll be real with you. If you're using it in a smaller space, it's a fantastic option. Just don't expect it to heat a huge open area all at once. This is perfect for you if you want something portable and charming for smaller areas. Skip this one if you need a primary heat source for larger spaces. It's a budget-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on style. Now, if you want a more sophisticated look without the bulkiness, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, Rich Flame Edward. Finally, let's check out the Rich Flame Edward electric fireplace insert, which is available for $359.99. The weathered concrete interior caught my eye right away. If you want something that feels unique and modern, this could be the right pick for you. The Edward offers a vivid flame effect and crackling sound, really adding to the ambience. It heats up to 400 square feet and has both 750W and 1500W settings, which is great for energy saving. Plus, there's no gas or dust to worry about. Just plug it in and enjoy the coziness without the hassle. That said, some users pointed out that the concrete finish can look slightly different from unit to unit, which might be a concern if you want consistency. But honestly, the unique charm it brings can outweigh that minor inconsistency. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a modern aesthetic and want something easy to install. Skip this one if you want a fireplace with a completely uniform look. It's a fantastic piece that combines style and performance without breaking the bank. To wrap it all up, we've covered the Touchstone sideline for its smart features, the Paraflame Western and Klaus for their traditional vibes, and the Duraflame freestanding stove for portability, finishing off with the Rich Flame Edward for modern flair. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs and style when making your choice.